Guys, this one will show you how to connect to the video or the DVD recorder through your phone. So I'll switch the bike on. Select the lower key on the left hand switch gear this time and you'll bring up this screen. Then select the Voge global app this time, and then what you can do is select the Bluetooth icon on the right hand side, and basically you're looking for the account name for the screen, which in this case is here at the top. So I'll select that. That's now linked me to the bike, as you can see. Now what I want to do is go on the camera. So I'll select the camera on this side. So I'm going to ask me to open the recorder. And it's eventually going to ask me to connect to the recorder through Wi-Fi. Now, looking under your seat, go to the DVD recorder box, and as you can see here, this code is 3761. So I'm looking for MT022 BC 3761. Connect on there. Checking connection quality. Once you're connected, you'll get this display. So we'll connect this time only. Once you've connected, just back out. It'll bring you back to here. Again, notice connect to DVR, yes. Come back out of it, sorry, an open record will pop up. Click on open recorder. And then basically, we're now mirroring what the camera's seeing at the front of the bike. That's me waving. And now that's coming through my phone. So there you go, there's my able assistant Lee.